Hello there. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. On my channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. And in today's video, we are going to be walking through our final Halloween makeup look. This is actually the only Halloween look that I was able to get out this year that was not Disney centered. So this is a Marie Antoinette inspired Halloween makeup look. Before we do get started on this video, you may be sitting at home, or you may have even clicked on this video because you're like, what in the world is on your head? And this, my friend, is a Marie Antoinette inspired wig made out of coffee filters. If you do want to see how I made it, I did go ahead and did film that. I'm going to be uploading this video before I upload that video, but whenever it is uploaded, I will be linking it down below and putting it up in the card so you can go on that little fun journey with me. All right, so wig talk aside, let's get started. If you are new here and do not know the drill, I have already primed my face because I do consider primer skincare. I'm going to use a white concealer to take out all of the color, all of the redness in my face, because makeup of that time period had a white cast to it. Since I do not feel like using a lead-based makeup, I'm just going to be using a white concealer to do the trick. So I have a lot of red in my face normally, but I definitely have a bit of a sunburn, even though it has not been that sunny as of late. So about twice a week in my nighttime skincare, I use retinol. I wear sunscreen every day, right? Except for one day. One day I did not, and it wasn't even that sunny of a day. I just forgot and went outside, and then I got sunburnt. So always wear your sunscreen, especially if you use retinol in your skincare. So now I will set that in with a translucent powder. So from what I can tell with portraits, Marie Antoinette has extremely bushy dark eyebrows, so I'm going to try that. I have a bit of brown already in there that I'm combing up, and now I'm going to go in lightly to a black and not really draw things in, but just sort of apply the color lightly. And each step of the way of application, I'm just going to fluff them up. A historically accurate makeup tidbit for you in case you were interested. So in the olden days, even when makeup was frowned upon as being salacious, to create darker eyebrows as well as to very lightly line the eyes with, people would take clove buds, like, you know, like the clove spice that you put in like holiday baking. They would take those clove buds and they would burn the edges, like light them on fire, and that created almost like a charcoal, like a light brown charcoal. I think that would be interesting to try. Maybe we'll do that in November or December. Together we can try like old-fashioned makeup tips just to see how that goes. As far as the eyes, I'm pretty much just leaving them alone, but I am going to go into a dark brown or medium brown, I guess, just to sort of enhance the eyes just a little bit, just to sort of draw attention to them, just over my lashes and put it slightly into my crease. I'm going to go into a blush, and her cheeks were actually red, just like I did. It was a like long down of that time period, it looks like. So from the apples downward. So now I'm going to place with a liquid eyeliner some beauty marks that in some accounts Marie Antoinette had. However, I've read in multiple sources that this was a thing that both men and women did with their makeup during Marie Antoinette's time period because one, it covered pox marks, pox scars, but two, it also, they thought it was the sheer beauty and youthfulness. So I already have a mole right here, and so I'm just going to probably stain it with this. I'm going to draw it there, and I'm going to put a few here. Oh, I am so youthful and so beautiful. Finally, for the lips, I'm going to be mixing a mauve and a red together. This was not a graceful thing to put on and then sit down with. So our coffee filtered Marie Antoinette wig is on, and that means that our Marie Antoinette inspired Halloween look is complete. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing on the way out. That way we can hang out together every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.